Hi, this is Hannah from TrueFit. Today I'm going to show you a quick demo of how you can use TrueFit to help eliminate the guessing game and pick the right size just for you. Here we are on one of our clients, Madewell's sites. On the product page, I see the red T right away, meaning that TrueFit is present, and a call-out that says, Find your TrueFit. I simply click in and I enter the TrueFit experience. If I already have a TrueFit profile that I've saved, I can click Sign In. With my email and password, I can access my TrueFit account. But for anyone new to TrueFit, we are going to fill out a quick registration. We start with some basic body information. And here TrueFit is learning about my unique body and my preferences. I'm asked what brand my best fitting top is so that TrueFit can better understand my unique preferences. I'm asked what size it is so we can drill even deeper into how I like to wear my clothes. And lastly, for women's tops and dresses, we ask bra size to understand the bust measurement. So you'll see, with a few simple answers, I get a personalized recommendation for what size I should purchase this top in. Now at other retailers, I may have bought smalls or mediums, but for this specific style, an extra small is my recommended size. If you want to create a TrueFit profile that you can log into with your email address as we showed in the beginning, hit Save Account. Here you can save with email and password. In addition, if you want to build out your TrueFit profile so that we know even more about you, you can click into the other categories. This will enable us to provide wonderful size and style recommendations across different categories. And if you want to turn off TrueFit, let's say you do not want to use the service anymore, you simply hit Turn Off TrueFit and select Yes. Thank you for tuning in, and please use TrueFit at all of our wonderful retail clients.